Hello, and today we are at Stewart Middle School unboxing this Mavic 2 drone. Let's get started.
Yes. Oh frick, I can't open this. There we go. There we go.
This drone has a 1-inch Cosmos sensor, which is actually 4 times as big as the Mavic 1.
It comes with a full charged battery. Oh my goodness. It comes with a 30-minute flight with a full charged battery and
it has obstacle sensors, so you can't run it into the wall. If you want to wreck it, too bad. It's gonna stop. Smash that later.
It comes with a Hasselblad camera and which is a very high quality camera and a very strong gimbal. It also has a quieter propeller and rotor switch, is a great improvement from the Mavic 1, so when you're filming you won't have the buzzing in the background as well.
So let's open this.
It seems like a case for it.
Let's see. So you got this thing. Whoa!
Which is
it's like
landing pad.
It's a landing pad. Very cool. And
it comes with stakes so the landing pad doesn't fly everywhere, which is very good. And here's the backpack that comes with this kit, and
the box in here is probably the drone.
I think the drone is in this box.
Though. Yeah.
Here's the box with a flash space in it.
Small pouch here.
Tags.
Here's the zipper. Here we go.
Yep, and then we have this.
In here.
What's the next one? Like the edge here. That's where all your camera gear goes.
And right here, it's a little storage pack thing. And back here, a little pocket. So pretty useful carrying all your camera stuff. Like,
okay, in the box. Wait, let's take out this first. Yeah, here's a card, and here is a micro SD card with 128 gigabytes and speeds up to 160 megabytes. A little cord in here. I think he did something. That's the charger for the battery.
Here's the flight battery. Here, so be very careful with it. I'll come over here. You got the little bubble wrap.
Yes. There you go. So here's the case for it.
Here it is. Nice and fancy. There might be a little more to it, but we'll leave it like this. Got some foam to protect it. Okay, now let's get the drone. Put that back in the case. Put this
so here is the box for it. I'm going to open this very carefully.
Here's some like instructions, different languages on it. So.
Alright, and then I should probably set this right here.
Yeah.
Then you get this box, which is basically a shoebox, and it opens up on this side. There is the drone and the controller.
Here, this box.
This is the battery charger, I think.
Something in this paper. There's a little cord for it, so you can plug it into your wall on a little outlet. Couldn't think of the word.
Here is the
controller.
So
you can
it has a zoom in and out, and then the throttle. Yes.
Little Mavic things. I believe this is so you can plug your phone or something. I believe one of these is Google, one is Samsung. There might be an Apple one in here.
Currently the sticks are not on, and so here is the play button or start, and this is the picture.
It's for like recording stuff.
And here,
So
right
you're
here,
making videos.
is the pause, and scissors. So that's the controller.
When I get everything out, yes.
Set that down. Here is the drone.
The drone.
So the top wings fold out like that.
It's close up.
And the gimbal comes with the case.
More of this.
And there's the gimbal. I'm going to put the case back on just
Here's another cord.
safe. Actually,
Nice
I don't
long
think that
one.
does go back on. And then I'm going to open the back wings.
Very cool.
They fold out. They go down. And then click out like that.
Here's the camera, I believe.
Yeah, the Hasselblad, I think.
Very, very nice. Very high-tech drone.
Then you have the sensor right here, 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 and it's pretty heavy. Here's the rotors. You can tell they're already very quiet. So I'm going to set that down.
I'm just gonna make a bunch of noise. If it's running.
Good job, you guys. What do you got? What do you got there?
We got the controller and a Mavic 2 drone.
I can't wait to fly this thing. Look at this. What a beauty. So I used to fly the Mavic 1, but I'm very excited to be flying the Mavic 2 now because basically the Mavic 1 was a really nice aircraft with a crummy camera on it. And then they came out with the Mavic 2.
And with a very, very nice camera.
Yes, the Hasselblad camera with the 1-inch CMOS sensor. Man, this thing is beautiful. I can already see the gimbal kind of starting to work, kind of doing its thing to keep the camera stabilized. And the gimbal is so much beefier than on the Mavic 1.
Yeah.
Like, this thing looks like it might actually work. Oh, man. How about the battery? Battery is looking pretty dead. So if you were hoping to fly this thing right away, I don't think we're going to be able to fly it right away because the battery is dead. The controller, how's the controller looking?
You got the control things here. You got the
Yes.
zoom. You got a record button for your camera.
Yes. Let's see the antennas. So the antennas are going to fold up and out, or you can keep them up if you want. We can go ahead and take off all the stickers. We don't need to worry about the stickers, but
Here's the propellers.
I was just going to ask about those.
Propellers. That it?
They can fold in like this, and then fold out when it starts moving.
Nice. So we're going to have to get the propellers on here and start flying this thing. I think we got everything we need, but I'll go ahead and teach you guys something really, really detailed that probably isn't going to make a lot of sense right now, but one of the things about the Mavic 1 is it had 8-bit color profile, and the colors were pretty lousy. But this one has a 10-bit. I'm excited to see the 10-bit D-Log M color profile and see if that makes a difference. I think it's going to.
In a later video, we'll probably do shots with the drone to show you the video and stuff.
Yeah, we're gonna have a lot more videos to come. This one is just the unboxing, but like you guys were saying, it's got the obstacle sensors on here. The Mavic 1, you know, pretty much all it had were some forward obstacle sensors and some lower obstacle sensors, but nothing on the sides. But the Mavic 2 has side obstacle sensors, rear-facing obstacle sensors, and I think that's going to make a big difference in not running into obstacles.
So if you just paid a lot of money for it, you don't have to risk wrecking it.
So you found the spare sticks.
Yes, the spare sticks. They go on right here. I think they screw on, yep.
Nice.
And so they're very grippy, and if you want to grab it like that, because some people do that, it's rubber around here. And so let me put this one on.
Nice. Well, good job, you guys. I think this is it for today. We got the drone unboxed. We got all this fun stuff to play with. We are going to learn a lot about flying drones. And stay tuned to some future videos so you can see what these guys do with our drone.
And please subscribe. And if you like the video, you can get us some money so we can get more of this stuff to work with.
I agree.